Basta may hater ako. Pok. No idea where that came from. Hi guys! Good morning! So, finally, ito na yung vlog na ang tagal-tagal ko nang pre-namis. At saka, ewan ko ba? Kasi actually, ang dami kong vlogs pero hindi ko siya ine-edit. Kasi parang feeling ko ang pangit. Parang ganun. Tapos, ayun. I have so much things to do today. Charot. So, it's Saturday. Kaya medyo masaya ako kasi walang pasok, walang anything. Tapos, magayong mata ko ngayon kasi nanood kami kagabi ng 5 Feet Apart. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, kaya ito mo yung mata ko. Magang-magamamshi. Today, status ako sa Facebook. Nag-iwan ako ng parang, ano yun yung question something sa Instagram about your assumptions about me because this has been a requested video na gusto nyong makita yung na mag-react ako sa assumptions niyo. Tapos, okay, anyway. So, I will do that later kapag medyo dumami na siya. I just had my breakfast. So, meron akong nag-scrambled eggs ako and coffee. Have this color is light, right? Weirdo ako kaya di ako nag-vlog kasi weirdo ako eh. Tapos, mag-bake ako ng cookies ngayon. Kasi, wala lang. Trip ko lang. As in, gusto ko na mag-bake. Ang tagal ko na. Kasi dati nagbe-bake talaga ako. Pero, hindi naman sobra. So, ngayon, parang na-miss ko mag-bake. So, wala lang ako ng cookies. So, ayan. Tapos, di ko na alam. Kasi, pupunta dito si Rain. So, di ko alam saan kami pupunta. Sama si JD, yung sister ko. So, I don't know. But, for now, maliligo lang po ako. Kasi, ang panghi ko na. Charot! I am not like that. Maliligo lang talaga ako ngayon. Kasi, hindi ako maging mabaho forever. Charot. Pia! Hello! So, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Tapos, di ko binasa yung buhok ko. Yup. Because I don't wet my hair every day. Well, it depends sa init. Ganyan. But I took a bath last night. Kaya, kunyari, nag-full bath ako nung kinagabihan. Sa morning, hindi ko na mabasahin yung buhok ko. Nag-half bath na lang ako. Ganon. So, pero minsan hindi din ako araw-araw magbasa ng buhok kasi nga hindi yun maganda. Or tamad lang talaga ako. Anyway, so, nanghanap ko sa lighting eh. Hindi ko mahanap eh. So, where is my keys? Where are my keys? Key. It's just one. There. So, since gagawa akong cookies, marami pala akong kulang na ingredients. So, kailangan ko bumili. There is my bag. Guys, alam niyo ba, mukha akong Dora ngayon. As mukha akong bata. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. I know, this is my OOTD for today. So, sobrang addict ako sa big, like really, really big shirts. Tapos, tinatuck-in ko lang siya sa pants, sa tight pants, or sa shorts. As mukha akong Dora. So, tapos na. Nabili ko na. Ano siya? So, we are done here sa grocery. Babalik tayo ng bahay. Tapos, ang funny pa kasi as in, meron akong chocolate chip kanina na kinuha. Kaso lang, wala nga akong cash. Kasi parang 400 pesos yung cash ko, ganyan. Tapos, biglang down daw yung debit nila. Wala silang kahit na anong card. So, parang, oh my gosh. Pinatanggal ko na lang yung isa kasi baka hindi magkasya. Tapos, paglabas ko, meron mo palang bangko, guys. May ATM. But anyway, marami ng chocolate siguro sa bahay. Siguro, wala na si Batman. Okay, so, let's bake. Let's bake na dito pa ako. Let's drive then bake. So, look who's here.
I'm not here. Miss niya ako.
So, ayan. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung binake ko. Huli ka! Tingnan niyo to! Tingnan niyo to! Yung chocolate.
I only get big one.
Weh! So, ito yung binake ko. So, may M&M's yan, tsaka Cadbury sa loob. Tapos, yun yung kalat ko. Ah! So, that is that. Tuwang-tuwa siya, kaya ipapasa ko muna kayo sa kanya.
Masarap yung ano niya. Oh, ano yung tsura ko dyan. Maganda, masarap yung cookies niya. Kasi nagluto siya dati. Tapos sobrang sarap ng cookies niya dati. Ilang asin yun? Ilang cups na kasi nilagay mo. Kasi gumawa siya dati ng cookies. Mag-best friend pa lang kami. Tapos, masarap naman siya. Sobrang lang ng asin. Pero, sobrang sarap talaga niya. Tagal ko lang di umawak ng camera na ganito. Diba? Sarap kayo ng cookies mo. Diba? Uy, kasi naman sila.
Nabilinis ako.
Ayan lang. So, see you guys later.
So, ito na po siya. We shall see. Kaya patry naman kaya. Oh, no. JD, do you wanna try too?
So hot!
You dip it in milk?
Wala nag-vlog. Init. Hop!
Hwe! Joke mo na naman ako eh.
Masarap ako.
Ano lasa? Dapat lang mala MasterChef.
It's very crunchy on the outside, very chewy on the inside. It's way better than Mrs. Fields. And it's very hot.
Hola!
I said, hola, kamusta? She said, konnichiwa.
Paalis na po kami. So, as you could tell,
Cocoa.
try natin yan dito. Kasi malapad yun. Oh my God.
Maman. Maybe next week. Tell them. Next week, kamo. Tell them.
Hot.
Why is it
Alright,
blurry? It's hot? It's hot pa din. Ayan, oh. So ngayon, gagawin ko, mag-makeup ako kasi oh my gosh!
Sobrang fail.
Tama yung mukha ko talaga. Alam mo, parang wala pang kaayos-ayos. Parang, kay ka lang.
Hindi, pwede ba i-replay mo muna yan? Pwede bang i-replay mo muna yan?
Always happens to me. Always. All the time. So, paano ba ito? Mag-makeup nga lang muna ako dito. Okay? What will you say? Bye-bye. See you later. And then, mag-ayos lang ako kasi nahihiya na ako sa inyo. Charing! Pangit ba ako pag walang makeup?
Wait lang. Joke lang. Ganda-ganda niyan eh. Asustik naman yung mukha ngayon. Oh, so, babangga tayo eh.
Anyway, so, I will just do my makeup and 3, 2, I will be fine! Okay. So, nandito na po kami. Tapos, kakagising lang niya. So, ayun. So, biglang pupunta pala kaming Caloocan. No.
Happy birthday!
So, okay. So, since I'm gonna be doing, like, reacting to the assumptions of me, diba?
Hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored.
Pero kung sponsorin niyo kami, okay lang.
Eto, hindi, wait lang. Kasi diba maraming assumptions sa'yo?
Let there be light!
Kasi pag ano,
Tagal na na.
papasok ka sa page.
Hello! Dalagang Pilipina, yeah!
Oh, diba? So, it's about like this.
Hello. Hello. Wow.
Nasaan si Boom? Ayan si ano.
This is us now. Kaya po kami hindi nakakapag-vlog.
Hi kids, how are you?
Isa pa, bakit di
Wait,
mo
may isa pa palang kid. Nasaan yung isang kid? Ayun.
Hindi, magkontakman si Ate Chloe.
May isa pa sa likod, ayun. Dalaga Pilipina, yeah.
Aray ko yung siya.
Alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Nahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina.
Kaya ka kulit ang uso eh. Yung kayo ginagawa na, hindi lang.
Ikaw nga talagang Pilipinas. Sabay tayo. Sabay tayo. Dapat bawal kayo. Bawal
Hindi ako marunong eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Magte-trending daw, magte-trending.
Ako mukha akong unggoy.
Share sa mga wall yan.
Hi guys! So, yun. May natutulog akong kapatid sa tabi ko. Kaya, am I ready? Am I ready? It's 1:30 a.m. I'm really tired. Kaya makikita natin kung mag-sprock ba ako o hindi. Charot. So, it's our moment of truth. So, naglagay ako kasi ng... Sorry kung medyo timid ako ngayon kasi tulog pa siya. So, gumawa ko ng parang poll ganyan sa Facebook pati sa Instagram. So, about all your assumptions about me, whether it be good or bad. So, sa lahat ng videos ko, kaya may dahil dyan sa ko na yun, lapit na lang ako. Para mas marinig nyo. So, let's just do this once and for all. Okay, so let's go with the Facebook part first. Since ito yung medyo mga friends ko, mga kakilala ko, masungit, maldita, mataray. Okay, yung tatlo na yun, I've seen it like a couple of times. So, ewan ko, parang kasi kung makilala nyo talaga ako, hindi talaga ako mataray, ma'am. As in, hindi kasi ako, alam mo yun, hirap ako maging masamang tao, gano'n. So, wala. Parang ang dami lang kasing nag-iisip talaga. Pero parang siguro out of 20 people, 2 lang ang nagsabi na akala nila mabait ako or something. Lagi na lang, as in, RBF ba ako? Hindi ko lang yun. Parang, pilit naman ako mag-smile in public. Baka natutsyempohan lang minsan na parang ganto ako. Well, I'm sleepy like most of the time. So, maybe that's why. And medyo shy ako mag-approach first. That's my problem. Pero when I'm learning, I'm starting to learn about this stuff. Pero, guys, hindi talaga ako mataray or masungit or anything. Napapansin ko lang mataray lang ako if na meron ako or something. Tapos, kunyari, asan pa ako ng boyfriend ko, gano'n. Clash talaga kami. Hi. So, next is spoiled brat. Actually, tatawa ko dito. Sige. Parang, okay. Pero kasi parang, ang dami naman din kasing may, alam mo yun, parang kasi mga friends ko dati, nung college, akala talaga nila, as in spoiled brat ako. Ganun. Okay, so, okay, yung kwento kasi niyan is, well, I came from a family na, how do you say that? Hindi naman kasi mayaman na, as in, boom, yaman. But, yung may kaya, parang gano'n. Sakto lang, ganyan. So, I'm really privileged to be, you know, a part of this family and stuff like that. And, alam mo yun, parang, kasi diba, you can never pick your own family. So, ayun. Parang I'm really privileged na nakapag-aral ako sa schools, ganyan. Tapos, nung college kasi ako, yung dad ko kasi medyo overprotective. So, hatid sundo talaga ako nun. Kasi takot siya sa boys. Charot. Slightly charot. So, ang usapan namin after college. So, as in, literal na pagkatapos ko ng college, sinagot ko na si Rin. Well, best friends naman kami. So, you know, it doesn't matter. Nagastos. Okay, ito yung pinakamali sa lahat ng nabasa ko. Kasi alam mo, pwede kong palisutin yung masungit kasi minsan ganyan ka. Pero magastos, guys, I'm far from that. Sobrang kuripot ko as in. I like saving kasi. So, as in, budgeted talaga yung pera ko. I'm a little OC. So, lahat as in, planado, budget, ganyan. So, parang I get frustrated sometimes when it doesn't go as planned. Which I need to learn. Kasi not everything will go as planned. And it doesn't matter because I feel like, you know, you should learn it to adjust to what's going on instead of just, you know, getting frustrated about everything. I mean, I'm not magastos. I'm magastos sa ibang tao, if that makes any sense. So, kunyari yung sweldo ko, for myself, kasi nanghihinayang talaga ako sa lahat ng bibilin ko for myself. And if I go shopping, as in medyo ano yun, planned siya. So, kunyari, this cut off, wala. Next cut off, gusto pumunta ng Taytay. Ganyan. So, okay. So, may nakalaan na siya. Gets nyo? Parang basta as in lahat. Akala ko masungit ka, mataray. Yan. Sabi ko na clickish. Okay. So, I have something about this. Okay. So, clickish. Feeling ko kasi in a way na I choose my friends and I like being with my friends. So, hindi ako yung you can't sit with us type of person. I'm usually with the people I want to be with. If I'm gonna be telling you like my personal problems and encounters, will they be able to keep it? Or will they be able to help me in a positive way? Kahit na masakit na yung sabihin nila for me to improve or to grow and stuff like that. So, ayun, for me, siguro clickish ako in a way na I'm like always with my feeling friends. But, I can say that I'm not clickish when it comes to other people. Kasi, I mean, when you approach me, sure, for friends. As in, I'm not, hindi ako yung may wall, parang, no, these are just my friends. You're out of this. Hindi ako ganun. Okay, so eto. Thanks, ha? Charot. Malandi ka. Ha, 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 ha. So this came from my friend. From a good friend of mine. I had like this, I mean, parang in such a young age, I had someone na feeling ko. Hindi ko alam. So, okay, for my boyfriend right now, si Ren, obviously, I'm probably the least person na masasabi niyang malandi. Kasi, okay, so me and my boyfriend were best friends for like 4 years. Ganyan. Before we became together. Kaya yung courtship namin, parang courtship moment, yung after niya umamin, was parang saglit lang. Mga 2 months or something. Because, yeah, both of us had like this conviction na parang we don't believe in abuse and this crap like this. And, you know, the getting to know each other part, we've known each other more than anyone, actually. Basta, we've been like best friends talaga. As in, platonic best friends, you guys. As in, it existed for quite a while, I could say. So, ayun. Tapos, ayun, hanggang sa umamin siya, we've been single for such a long time. As in, you know, our entire college kasi. Tapos parang same ko may conviction na parang whoever goes in our lives next, that's the person we will marry. And, ayun, I feel like both of us had passed a lot of past mistakes na, I mean, parang sana ganyan, sana ganito, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like it also helped us na, you know, to really build a stronger foundation. I'm clingy kasi in a way na parang I want you here all the time, parang I want to see you, I want to ganyan. But not clingy in a way na, baby, can't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. Hindi na ganon. I mean, gets, parang clingy ka lang na parang you really want to be with that person as much as you can. But not na parang, hug me forever, don't leave me. Ganyan. I have my moments. Seasonal. Charot. Hindi. Pero ayun, ganun ako, ganun clingy yung inay. So, suplada. Ayun po, ang dami talaga kasi maldita, suplada. Okay, next is, kinis naman nito ni Danica. Ha 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 ha, promise. Thank you for noticing, but I also have my, I have pimples. Hindi lang, sadyang, as in, blessed ako and happy with my skin na hindi siya nag-break out, ganyan. So, kapag may mga pimple ako, medyo, as in, konti-konti lang, tapos nawawala siya kaagad. Kaya ang dami nagtatanong sa akin ng skincare routine ko, hindi ko masagot. Kasi as in, wala, tatagal ko yung makeup ko, tapos nagbabalaw ako, tapos tulog na ako. Yun lang. Okay, so, maarte. So, ayun, maarte ako napili. Maarte ako nakikay, kind of, arte, sure. Kasi I am, hindi ako maarte na in general, na ang arte mo, kasi ang arte mo Dahil hindi talaga, mukha lang siguro. Pero hindi, mahilig lang ako mag-ayos, pero hindi ako maarte. Basta pili, feel ko naman lahat may arte naman talaga. Okay, so, Marte pala talaga ako sa isang bagay. Ang gusto ko lang talaga sa buhay is malinis na CR. Yun lang. Yun lang, guys. Yun lang. Ganda ng boses. Ayers! Thank you very much. Kamsamnida! Maingay. I don't think that's an assumption because it is real. From my boyfriend. Yayayamanin. Okay, so feeling niya talaga nung hindi pa kami mag-best friends, na high maintenance ako kasi overprotective na kasi yung dad ko. So, hatid sundo ako nung college. So, every time nalalabas kami, kunyari, alam niya na may susundo sa akin, ganyan. Tinanong ko pa siya, what do you mean? As in, sabi niya, arcade daw, ganyan. As in, sobrang, ganyan. Guys, hindi. As in, hindi. Alam mo, may moments lang talaga. I really want to go to somewhere nice. I want to eat somewhere nice every now and then. But, hindi high maintenance to the point na lagi. As in, kumain naman kami sa mga, sa mga paresan. Sa lahat ng yun. The only thing, I hate commuting, guys. Walang mali sa pagko-commute. Walang mali sa public transportation except sa, dapat inaayos talaga nila yung mga train, blah, 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 and everything else in the Philippines. But, ayun, hindi talaga ako masaya pag nagko-commute. May mga tao akong kilala na natutuwa mag-commute. Naka-school bus kasi ako nung elementary, high school, tapos hatid sundo ako nung college. So, parang hindi ko talaga na-experience. So, actually, naka-commute ako nung college na. Tapos, okay lang naman sa akin yung bus, yung isahang bus, ganyan. Pero yung sumasakay na sa train, LRT, MRT, stress talaga ako as in. Pero, I'd still do it. I just don't really like it. Doon nagko-commute ako huwag kayo baka sabihin nyo, napaka-arte na to, ganyan. Nagko-commute ako, ayoko lang talaga siya. Next is, nung una kitang nakita, parang sobrang bata pa niya, baby face kasi. From my office mate. Kala ko normal ka, di pala. I know, right? Guys, kung makilala nyo talaga ako, hindi talaga ako normal. As in, weirdo talaga ako. And, nothing's wrong with being weird, you guys. Weird is great. Grabe, seryoso ng video na to. Parang hindi ako sanay maging seryoso sa buhay ko. The next is tahimik. Now you know. Hindi ko kaya maging tahimik. Except pag kunyari, pinipiris nga ako, nag-bad mood ako. Huwag mong kausapin nila. Pero hindi talaga ako tahimik na tao eh. Hindi ko kaya maging tahimik na tao. Okay, so that is that. Let's now jump into Instagram. Unang bukas ko pa lang eh. Parang hindi na kaaya-aya na basa ko. Pero okay, whatever. Read it and react to it. Because it's their assumption. Sakot nyo naman magsalita. Charot. Michelle D. Wannabe. Flop naman. Sucks man. Thank you kasi feeling mo, parang medyo na-compare mo kay Michelle D. I know that a lot of people are kind of against her. But I really am not. I mean, I feel like lahat naman kasi may kanya-kanyang trip. So kung saan masaya dun ka, parang ganun. So, I still follow her and watch her videos. It's nice. I mean, kung ano man yung ginagawa niya sa personal life niya, yun. Pero, I mean, trabaho kung trabaho, parang ganun lang naman siya for me. Ayun, so nag-enjoy pa din naman ako kay Michelle D. Thank you kasi feeling mo wannabe ako. At least, from the same person, thanks na may hater ako. Pok. Hindi niya narinig. No idea where that came from. But, okay. I think I'm really far from that. But, I'm really sorry if you thought of me that way. So let's move on because I have no comment. Parang, okay. Parang ganun. So next is rich. Haha, and maarte, ganun. But hindi pala. Ayun, yun nga. Na-explain ko naman diba kung ano siya. As in, yun naman, ang dami talaga may tingin sa akin na gano'n, na parang arte mo, ganyan. Sorry kasi nawawalan ako ng memory, so kailangan ko na siya i-speed up. Next is, one of the jolliest persons I know, one who brings joy and light to others. Miss you, baby. This was from my coach nung high school sa varsity, nung volleyball. Sa Saranghayo! Thank you po! Miss you too, ma'am. Sorry, alam mo na, shutdown ako. Lola talaga ako. Mga 2 a.m. wala. Next is Sweet sa Fam and RK. Nandun yung RK, Mami. Talaga, guys. Sweet sa Fam, thank you. I really do love my family, especially my sisters. So, yes, thank you very much. Next is Kikay. Feeling ko totoo to, pero actually torn ako kasi mahilig ako mag-ayos, diba? Pero growing up, akala talaga nila tomboy ako. Funny story. Kasi mahilig ako sa, as in, kahit ngayon tanong mo ako, mahilig ako sa WWE, sa Pokemon, lahat ng gusto ng lalaki halos. Pero ayun, sa mga kotse, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, akala ng nanay ko, ayun na, ako, tomboy, ganyan. Pero, wala na, nung tumanda ako, parang nag-YouTube ako, so mahilig na akong makeup. Ayun, so kikay ako when it comes to like, fixing myself and stuff like that, and what I wear. Pero, kung paano ako kumilos, napagalitan lang ako ng jowa ko, para daw ako lalaki kumilos, ha? Not naman all the time. Just when I'm normal. Like, when I'm comfortable. Masungit. You're sungit. So, ayun. I think I'm done. So, ayun na lahat. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa kailangan may tahimik na video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today, my vlog and everything else kasi mamatay na yung camera ko. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, do everything. Kung ano man gusto nyo. I love you guys so much. Have a great, amazing day. Bye-bye!